Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. In this short video, I will show you how to use the SuperTrend Indicator to improve your trading career as a trader in the financial market. You will learn how you can apply the SuperTrend Indicator on any time frame you wish to trade. Maybe it is from the higher time frame or from the lower time frame. So what is the SuperTrend Indicator? The SuperTrend Indicator is an overlay trend-following indicator on your trading chart. It is much like a moving average that shows you the current trend direction. The indicator works well in a trending market, but can give false signals when applied in a market trading within the range. To apply this indicator on the trading view, search the keyword SuperTrend Indicator and left-click the SuperTrend Indicator option to apply it on your trading chart. Trading along with the trend is something we hear a lot from experienced traders. To successfully do this, we first need to know how to define a trend. Using the SuperTrend Indicator makes it easier to define the structural state of the market in which we wish to trade. Therefore, this makes this indicator one of the most reliable and effective trading indicators for beginners to help spot the condition of the market. The indicator will also present buy and sell signals, which can be taken depending on the trading system you are using. As we can see on this trading chart, the indicator painted the buy and sell signals on the trading chart, showing us zones to anticipate for a buy or sell signal in the market. Although there are other versions of the SuperTrend indicators, as we can see on the listed options on the trading view, these listed options all have the same indicator function. Some may paint long and short signals on the trading chart, but I prefer the buy and sell signals. The SuperTrend Indicator has a default setting of 10 ATR period and 3 multiplier. You can also modify the SuperTrend Indicator parameter settings. The choice of setting depends on your trading methodology. Are you a scalper, a day trader, a swing trader, or position trader? Take note, there is no best setting for indicators. Therefore, to choose the best settings for your system, you have to backtest thoroughly to know which settings would be suitable for your trading system. Just remember, if you reduce the settings too much, the indicator will give a lot of false signals. Also, if you increase the settings to be high, the indicator will generate fewer signals. Fewer signals means less trading opportunity, but powerful and more reliable signals. As traders in the market, how can we utilize the SuperTrend Indicator to our advantage in the market? To use this indicator, we need to see a price movement of higher highs and high lows, or lower highs and lower lows trends. As we can see on this trading chart, the changing of colors determine the trend direction of the instrument you are trading. When the indicator turns to green due to the closing of the price movement above the SuperTrend Indicator line, a buy signal is generated. And once price closes below the SuperTrend Indicator line, it turns from green to red and a sell signal is generated. I will now show you how to utilize the SuperTrend Indicator for a sell setup in a strong bearish trend. Here comes a strong trending bearish trend. This is the type of bearish trend we want to apply the SuperTrend Indicator to trade. All we need to do as a trader is to watch out for price to close below the green buy signal line before we can execute a sell position. A confirmation of sell signal would occur when the line above turns red with a sell signal. As we can see on this chart here, price closed below the short buy signal in this strong bearish trend, and a confirmation of the sell signal occurred after the upper line turned red. We can see whenever the indicator turns green in this bearish trend, The bullish move does not move much when compared to the bearish move. This is due to the fact the stronger trend is under the influence of the bears. The best zone to implement our stop loss on the SuperTrend indicator in this bearish setup would be at the high of the sell signal indicator. And we will have to close our trade if the indicator turns green and generate a buy signal. Here we can see how the indicator turned green and the price trended above it. Whenever this occurs, you can either close your trade or trail your profit with the upper red line from the lower time frame. Take note, do not use this indicator to trade a range market. As we can see in this range market here, the SuperTrend indicator generated lots of false signals. How can we use the SuperTrend indicator in a trending bullish trend? Therefore, let's search for a strong bullish trend so we can see how this indicator works in a trending bullish market. Here on this bullish trend, we can see how the previous bearish rally turned into a bullish rally through the close-up of price above the red line here. And a green confirmation buy signal line confirmed the buy setup here. Navigating upward in this bullish trend, what can you notice? We can see a short bearish pullback. This bearish move does not move longer when compared to the bullish move. And this is why it's advisable to trade along with the trend. We can see whenever price closes above the red line, the line turns green and a buy signal is generated. You can see the SuperTrend indicator is not difficult to apply to detect trade opportunities in the financial market. But to be on the safer side, avoid implementing it in a choppy or range market.